Incorporating art into your garden can transform a simple outdoor space into a captivating and unique environment. Sculptures and installations add depth, character, and a personal touch, creating an inspiring atmosphere that reflects your tastes and enhances the natural beauty of your garden. This guide will explore various ways to integrate art into your garden design, providing tips and ideas to help you create a harmonious blend of nature and artistry. Benefits of garden art. Visual interest. Art pieces break up the monotony of green spaces, adding focal points and drawing the eye. Personal expression. Sculptures and installations allow you to express your personal style and creativity. Inspiration. Art can evoke emotions and inspire contemplation, making your garden a more engaging space. Relaxation. Beautiful and thought-provoking art can enhance the calming and relaxing qualities of your garden. Placement and installation tips. Strategic positioning. Place art where it can serve as a focal point, such as at the end of a path, near a seating area, or in the center of a flower bed. Visibility. Ensure the piece is visible from various angles and distances to maximize its impact. Natural surroundings. Position sculptures among plants, trees, and natural features to create a seamless blend of art and nature. Landscape features. Utilize existing landscape features like rocks, water features, and slopes to enhance the placement of art pieces. Conclusion. Incorporating sculptures and installations into your garden design can elevate the aesthetic appeal, create emotional resonance, and provide educational opportunities. By carefully selecting, placing, and maintaining art pieces, you can create a harmonious and inspiring outdoor space that reflects your personal style and enhances the natural beauty of your garden. Start exploring the world of garden art today and transform your garden into a captivating haven of creativity and beauty.